This is how you set the time and date on your Casio G Shock watch in under 1 minute. First, you need to press and hold the adjust button until you hear a click and the sub-dial at 6 o'clock ticks. Using the mode button, we are going to press it until we see the 24 or 12 hour. Here you can select between the 24 or the 12-hour display. I'm going to go with 24 hours. Now we can select the seconds in order to adjust them. Pressing the mode button once again and we can adjust the hours. You can press and hold and also go in both ways using the forward and backwards buttons. If we press it one more time, we can adjust the minutes. And then if we press the mode button once again, we can adjust the year. So we can make it 2024. Now using the mode button once again, we can select the month. And after that, if we press it one more time, we can select the day of the month. After you have done everything, you can press the adjust button and it will automatically tell you the day of the week. And that is how you set the time and date on your Casio G Shock watch in under 1 minute. Now, if you want to see a more detailed video about this, make sure to check the link in the description below or the pinned comment, because we have a complete video about this and all other features on your G Shock, such as how to replace the watch battery, how to clean it, how to reset the watch hands after replacing the watch battery, and many more. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.